Hey there, Devonshire. This is Gabriel Lamette, your lifestyle director, and I'm really glad that you decided to join me for this calendar update because we are into June, and boy, oh boy, do we have lots of events coming, and you're not going to want to miss it. So, without further ado, let's get into it right now. So the first event that we're going to go ahead and spotlight is something that's coming up for our kids and teens. We have creative arts coming. Now this is going to take place actually throughout the entire month, and it's going to look different every single time. So we're going to kick it off on June 2nd. That's going to be on a Wednesday. That'll be an opportunity for your kid or teen to be able to come out and express themselves by painting portraits. Then we're going to go ahead and follow that up on June 9th with a chance for you to come to the art gallery so you can go ahead and appreciate the little talented people within our wonderful community here. Then for the very last time that we're going to meet, this is going to be on June 16th. So it's going to be each Wednesday, the first 3 Wednesdays of this month. We're going to have a swing by event where you're able to come and get some street chalk so you can go ahead and make your community look beautiful with art. And it's going to be great, so I look forward to seeing everyone there. Okay, so the next event that I want to go ahead and spotlight is something coming up on June 5th, which is our couples karaoke night. Now, this will be on the 5th, which is a Saturday. It's going to be from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is going to be a good night for you to come out and show your talent or lack thereof, whichever one you are. It's all good. Come on out. But you know what? Speaking of come on out, we want everybody to be able to do this. If you're an adult here in Devonshire, please come on out for that night. Make sure you register for this because I want to see you there and see some singing skills. So come on. Okay, so the next event that I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about is VBX in the park. Now, you know what? Some of you may be going, okay, what is a VBX? That doesn't even make sense. Is that like a new X-Men group or something like that? No, it is a party in the park, and it's going to be sponsored by one of our local churches, First Baptist Church here in Forney. They're going to be sponsoring this event, and this event, you don't have to register for it whatsoever. It's going to be on June 10th. It'll be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., and they just want as many people to come out. There's going to be bounce houses and some food and some surprises, some really good stuff. So please, if you want to come out with the kiddos, have a good time for the evening, come out to that event because you're going to have a blast. Hey, what's up, Dad? So now this one is tailor-made for you guys. I know you probably already heard about how Mother's Day went. We had a great time. The women had a fantastic celebration of motherhood. But guys, we got to get it in too. So I thought, what better way to do that than having a bird and brews night? This is going to go for the kickoff of Father's Day weekend. It's going to be on Friday, June 18th, right here at the clubhouse. We want to make sure we see you there. We're going to have the chicken, the waffles. We're also going to have beer with take-home gifts. Now, if you're someone who says, you know what, I don't drink, don't worry, I got you covered. We're going to have non-alcoholic beer there for you so you can make sure you come out. So please make sure you register for that because that's going to be a fun evening with guys having dad time. Okay, so for the last event we have coming up for June, I'm really excited about this one because when I decided to join the team in serving Devonshire, this was something that I had a passion for being able to do, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So on June 25th, we are going to have a senior prom titled Motown Moments. This event is for the retired community members of Devonshire. So if you are within our retired community here and you want a night that's tailor-made just for you guys, this is the event for you. You'll be able to come out, have a great time, reminisce of all the good stuff, all the temptations. I've got sunshine. Okay, I'm too excited. I need to stop that. But my whole point is you're going to have a good time. So please make sure you go ahead and register for this event because you are not going to want to miss it. It's going to be some food, it's going to be music while you're dining, and you're going to get a chance to cut a rug. What's better than that? So come on out. Phew, I told you June had a lot of events going on, and so I'm glad that you stuck with me for this video to talk about everything we have going on. But please make sure you go ahead and pre-register to join us for the events that I shared with you. You can be able to do this in several different ways. You can do that through the Devonshire download, which comes to your email every Friday at 5 p.m. Also, you can go onto our website, www.devonshiretx.org, or go to our official Facebook page where you can go to our events tab, and the registration will be there for all of the events that I just shared with you. So thank you so much for joining me, Devonshire, and I'll see you guys at the events. Bye-bye.